This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. The relay box is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Unclip the cover, identify the purple fuel pump relay and pull it from place. Start the engine and allow it to idle until the engine runs roughly, then turn it off. Slacken the nut and pull the negative lead clamp from the battery terminal. If possible, cover the terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Refit the relay and the cover. With the jack head positioned under the reinforced section of the door sill flange, raise the vehicle until the left-hand rear wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Undo the torque screw and release the filter bracket. Be prepared for fuel spillage, then release the connectors and disconnect the fuel hoses from the fuel filter. A Vauxhall special tool is available to disconnect the hose connectors, but provided care is taken, the connections can be released using a pair of pliers or a screwdriver. Note the arrow on the side of the new filter element indicating fuel flow. The arrow must point towards the front of the vehicle. Remove the plugs from the new filter and locate the retaining clips on the ports. Maneuver the filter into place and firmly reconnect the fuel hoses. Check that the clips fully engage. Refit and tighten the torque screw. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the cover, then press the negative lead clamp firmly onto the battery terminal. Tighten the clamp nut securely. Start the engine and check for leaks. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.